Hi guys, Fred.Zent here from Guaranty RV Super Centers. Today I'm going to show you the all-new Freedom Express Blast. It's a 283 BL model. Come on inside, I'm going to show you. You got a nice walk-around bed. It's got a wood accent with lighting above. Got wardrobe on both sides of the bed. And then you got storage above and storage underneath. Then right here you got your sink, your medicine cabinet, and then you can walk into the bathroom there. Got a nice tub shower combo. Skylight, fantastic fan. And in the galley here you got your nice deep sink. You got a Furrion 3-burner cooktop. Nice little oven here. Microwave. And then you got storage above here. Over here you got some full extending drawers and cupboards. You got a jackknife bed that'll fold up just to maximize your space. In here, this is a little dinette. Got storage above, place for your helmet and your gear. Above up here you got your you got a bunk that slides down, and then here you got two more beds that'll fold up or be couches. When you come out here you got a nice patio with your gates. It also has steps so you can walk down here. You got a nice power awning with LED lights. Got two speakers, outside speakers. Here's a good view of the backside. It really opens up so you can get your toys in there. Guys, if you want more information on this 2019 Coachmen Freedom Express Blast, give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent. My number's 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.